In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get emotes here within Forsaken. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The first thing that you're going to want to do here on Roblox is obviously get loaded into Forsaken, since all of these emotes are specifically in this game. And once you actually get loaded into Forsaken, if you press G on your keyboard, you're going to see your emote wheel. If nothing shows up and it looks like mine, here's how you can actually unlock and equip those emotes. The first thing is probably the most obvious one. And while you're actually in the lobby, you can navigate over to this left-hand section over here. And there's going to be an option for a shop. Simply go ahead and select that. And it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and hit the emotes page and you're going to see any emotes that you could possibly get. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and buy one real quick. We're going to do this headbanger one right here. So you just select it, hit purchase, and as you can see, it's going to give you a confirmation. Once again, just hit it and you'll be good to go. Now you can either use your in-game currency shown on the side to make that purchase, or you can even use Robux if you would like. I personally just recommend using the in-game currency, but it's completely up to you what you would like to do. Now to actually go ahead and equip it though, you're going to want to exit out of the shop and this time go into your inventory on this left-hand section and find the emotes thing up at the top. Select whatever wheel you would like and it's going to pull up a menu that looks like this. Go ahead and select whatever emote you want and it's going to be equipped in there. And now when you exit out of your inventory and hit G, you'll see it in there and you can equip it, and look at us. We're going crazy now. I don't know why our arm is disconnected, but you know what? We'll go with it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video, if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it. It really lets us know that you want more content like this and we'd greatly. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.